Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stalkers and Ninja Pro Traders. It's Friday, June the 9th. It's about 6:30 Central Standard Time. As we take a look at the chart already, we see we had opening at 24, 25, 25 right here at the bottom, and then overnight lows at 23, just a little bit below. Started working our way back up. We had overnight highs of 35.75, and now we kind of move back to the 24-hour VWAP and just pushing off of it. It's currently 31.50, current price 32.75. So where do we go from here? Let's take a look. Since we're above the VWAP, let's go to the upside first. We'll take a look at the targets for that way. As we move up, the first target's going to be the 35.75, testing the overnight high, and then if we can, we'll edge right up to the 36.75 to yesterday's high. Good day, it's Friday, right? Once we hit this target here at the 36.75 area, then look for the pullback again one more time, probably down into the 35 area. And if it pushes off of this structure right here, just barely right across the zone, then look for it to push up into the 38s, probably up into 39.75, yesterday's top of the zone, and then come back and test the bottom of this zone, which is the 36.75, which was the high of yesterday, and then push on up to 42 area. Now, once we get to that 42 area, a lot of sellers are going to start stepping in, but there's a possibility they could just let it come back here about the 24.40 and then drive it up to this 46.75 area right up in this area right here. Okay, a little bit of pullback here, not likely that it's going to go through this area. It might just break through. More than likely, we're going to drop right back into this, start consolidating, and then eventually work our way back down on a Friday. However, if we do manage to break through this, then you can see 2450 psychological level. That's just all there is, okay? So don't expect that today, but those levels are there. Expect a major reversal at any point up after this. Okay, be careful on a Friday, light volume. People take it up for the weekend. Midsummer, it's June. Okay, so be very, very cautious on the weak volume and some wild rides if that happens. Okay. Now to the downside, if we get up here and retest this high of yesterday or the high of last night and fall back down below this 24-hour VWAP, it should be up around the 33.25 area by that time. Look for it to come all the way down and test the bottom of this zone, 29.50, and then push right back up and test this area, this 24-hour VWAP, probably around that 33 area, and then drive down. Probably looking for it to push all the way back to the open, maybe a little bit of retracement up to the 28.25 and then down to 23. However, if it gets to this open, if it drives through it, just expect some consolidation that tries to come back above it, but it may not come over at all. It may just stop right here, drive down to the low of 23. All right, it'll come back up and try again more than likely. And then if we're going to continue down, that's where we're going to continue the downward movement all the way down to the 17 area, 16. Got to be real careful at this point or any point below this at the zones, look for a major reversal for it to push and drive right back into the open with a lot of consolidation here being on Friday. Again, summertime Fridays, low volume. Just be real cautious because of that. Some erratic movement's going to occur. If we get down to this 18, 17, maybe a little bit of retracement up into here, if it doesn't go all the way back up and test this 23, so there could be some large movements. That's why there's I'm warning you about the low volume. Then it'll move all the way down. We got zones at 24, 11, 25, 24, 10. Should be the low of the day. However, could move back all the way down to this 2403. Definitely a good place for a big reversal and back out hard. But the same thing can occur at any one of these zones. So be cautious today. Keep an eye on it. Take your profits early, call it early today, and have a good weekend. This is Frank. If you have any questions, contact me at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.